Hello class 9. Today I am explaining you Java programming by using assignment statement. In this segment of Java programming, I am taking values of data of their own and mention otherwise within the program along with the appropriate data types. I am using my BlueJ screen to give you the instructions how to make a program on a BlueJ screen. First we will install BlueJ in our computer. Then we will start. First we will go to project, new project. You will write name here. Any name you can write here. I have written my name here so that I will not use that. Suppose I am writing any name here, then after that new class, then you will write new class name is here. I have written simplification so that you will write simplification over there. Then press OK. If you will, I have mentioned my class over here so that I am not writing name again and again. I am writing name here, simplifications. Then you will do OK, otherwise cancel. After that you will, this icon will come, then you will press the right button of your mouse, then open editor. In this you will write the instructions the programs which we have written in the copies. I am making this program sum, difference, product and remainder of two numbers, to display the sum, difference, product and remainder of two numbers. First we will write public class simplifications. We are not writing here import Java because this is, we are using BlueJ, so that no need to write import Java here. It is inbuilt. Now we will write public class simplifications because these are the simplifications, so that we are given the name simplifications. Then curly bracket start. After that public static void main string args. This I have told you earlier that this is the string argument which input your values. Curly bracket start. Now int we want two numbers, so that I am taking a and b. We have taken in integer value without decimal, so that sum will also come integer, difference will also come in integer form, product will also come in integer numbers, and remainder will also come in integer numbers, so that I have taken all numbers in int form. Now I will input the value a is equal to 65. I have taken value 65 and b I have taken 35. Now I will put the formula, sum formula, because I want the sum of two number a plus b, so that I will write sum a plus b terminator, then difference a minus b terminator, product a multiply. This is the multiplication sign. I told you earlier that multiplication sign, asterisk sign, is used in Java programming as a multiplication sign. We will not use cross sign, because cross sign Java read that sign X, so that we are using asterisk sign, multiplication sign b, then terminator, then remainder a divided by b. That backslash we are using for this division, because that division sign also a special sign for computer. It cannot be understand that is the divide sign, so that we will take this backslash sign, because this sign is used in Java for division. Now system out println. First we will print the sum of two numbers. The argument we will write in double quotes. Then we will give the data plus sum, because we have stored the value after sum of two number in sum, so that we will print the sum. Like this system out println, the difference of two numbers we have stored here a minus b, so that value will be stored in diff, so that we will print plus diff. System out println the product of two numbers plus prod, because same a multiplication b will be stored in product, so that we will print plus prod. Then system out println the remainder of two numbers same plus rem. Then we have opened 2 times curly bracket, so that we will close 2 times curly bracket. After that, class save. Then compile. When we will do compile, here return class compile, no syntax error. If any error is here, then it will be displayed by the red underline, and error name are here, so that no error is here. Now you will close this. Then simplification we have made. Right click, void main string args, then OK. The sum of two number 25 plus 65 plus 35 100. The difference of two number 65 minus 30 became 35 became 30. The product of two number 65 multiply 35 2275. The remainder of two number, if we will divide that, answer will come 1. Remainder is 1. Because no remainder is 1, then just check it again. I have divided, but here we are finding remainder, so that we will change this, and remainder sign is percentage sign, because there it store the quotient, not remainder. Now I have changed the sign. Then class save again, then compile, no error is here, then you will close. After that you will open, then OK. Now you will find this is not the remainder, this is the quotient. Now again the sum of 100 30, product is this, and remainder is 30, because when we will divide 65 by 35, the remainder will come 30. Now I am explaining your next program, discount. Same way we will make like that. After that, open editor. Here I have written the program to find the discount on computer and printer by using BlueJ. Here we will input the C for computer and P for printer in place of string args. Public class discount, then public static void main. In place of string args, we have written the computer and printer, int C and int P. Then curly bracket start, int R1. R1 is the, we have taken R1. R1 15% discount, that is in percentage. Then R2, then R1 is 15% and R2 we have taken 10%. Double D1 for discount 1, discount for computer, D2 discount 2, discount for printer. M, this is the value after discount for computer, and this is the value after discount for printer. Now we will put the formula. Discount 1 is equal to R1 divided by 100.0 multiplied by C. This is the price of computer. Then D2 same way, this is the price of P. Now this is the price of after discount, laptop price C, computer price minus D1 discount. Then N is equal to P minus D2 printer price. System out printer, and the price of laptop after discount is M, so that we will print M here. System out printer, and the price of printer after discount plus N, because this is the printer value after discount, so we will write plus N here. Now same way, class save, then compile. Class compile, no syntax error is here. If error is here, then it will display here. Then we will close. Then after that, void main, here discount main. Now in this, it is asking about the computer value and printer value. Now you will input the computer value. If I am writing computer value is 60,000 and printer value is 10,000, then okay. Now answer will come like this, because this is the price of laptop after discount 51,000 and the price of printer after discount 9,000. Now question number 3, average. Here we will find the average of the marks, 3 subjects marks. Same way we will make new class. Then I have given average name here, open editor. Then first we will write the statement to find the total marks and average marks. Public class average, curly bracket start public static void main. Here we are inputting the numbers, int physics number, int chemistry number, int bio number. Then curly bracket start int sum, because all numbers are in int, so that sum will also come in integer form without decimal. Now double average, because it will be divided by 3 subjects marks, 3, so that it will come in double, so that average 0.0. Now we will put the formula sum. All numbers we will add physics plus chemistry plus bio. Then average sum divided by 3.0. This is the formula of average. Now system out println the total marks. All marks come in sum, so that we will print the plus sum. The average marks plus AVG. All marks will come in average, so that we will print AVG. Then same way save, then compile. No syntax error is here. Then close. Now average void main, this you will open. Here you will write physics marks. Suppose I have written physics marks is 80 and chemistry marks is 70 and this is 90 bio marks. Okay. Now total marks 240. The average marks is 80, because 240 divided by 3, average marks will come 80. I hope you all are understood these programs, how to make in BlueJ. Now I will continue my programs with the BlueJ screen. Thank you.